Hey there, and welcome back to the Complete Home Experience Military Edition. If you're new here, my name is Amy. I am a retired military spouse, and after 9 PCS moves and helping dozens of military families buy and sell homes, I've seen one thing that holds people back more than anything else, and that's bad information about VA loans. So today I'm going to break down 3 of the biggest VA loan myths that keep buyers stuck, and we're going to separate the myths from what's actually true. Myth number 1, you can only use your VA loan once. This drives me crazy. I can't tell you how many service members think that they've used up their benefits. And the truth is that you can use your VA loan more than once. Even at the same time in some cases. If you sell your home and pay off your VA loan, you get your full entitlement back. And even if you still own one VA financed home, and you might have partial entitlement left over to buy the next one. So if you've been sitting out thinking like I missed my shot, you haven't. Your VA benefit is a lifetime benefit, not a one and done. Myth number 2, sellers hate VA loans. You might have heard someone say along the way that VA loans are too much of a hassle, or the appraiser always kills the deal. Here's the truth. A VA loan is no harder to close than any other loan, especially when you're working with the right team who actually knows the process. I find that VA is harder mentality comes from like an old school way of thinking or just a lack of experience. And plus, VA buyers are some of the strongest borrowers out there. So 0 down does not mean that there's no skin in the game. It means that you've earned that benefit. So don't let an uninformed agent or seller ever make you feel like your VA loan is a disadvantage. Myth number 3, you need to have perfect credit. Let me say this loud and clear. This program was built for service members and veterans who have had deployments and major life transitions, and maybe we've experienced some bumps along the way. A lender is going to look at your overall story, not just your credit score. So if you've been putting this off because maybe you think you're just not ready or not qualified enough, it's time to reach out. I have a bonus myth, and that it's easier to just rent during your PCS. I get it. When you move every few years, sometimes renting just feels safer. But if you buy strategically, your VA loan can really help you build some long-term wealth even through multiple PCS moves. A lot of my clients will use their VA loan to buy at one duty station, rent it out, and then buy again at the next one. And that's really how you just start stacking equity while you're still serving. The VA loan is one of the most powerful tools that you have, but only if you understand how to use it. So if you want to learn how to maximize your VA benefits and avoid some of the common traps, grab my free PCS to Keys guide. It's in the description of this video. Also, don't forget to hit subscribe, because every week we're breaking down the real truths about home buying, PCS life, and helping you create that perfect home experience for your military family. So you've served your country, and now it is time that your home loan served you.